Welcome to the Bhutan Immigration Services portal. To register yourself, click on Sign Up. Once registered, click on the Sign In button to log into your account. Type in your email and your password. To apply for tourist visa or permit application, click on the Click to Proceed button under the Tourist Visa or Permit module. Make sure you have the required documents ready. Then click on the Click Here to Start New Application button. Start adding individuals for the visa application by clicking on the Add Individual button and select the relevant document type. The system auto-fetches the details from the travel document. Manually enter other details such as document issue date, country of birth, country of residence, and occupation. Going next, upload passport size photo of the individual. Now, enter the dates of entry and exit. Then, complete the declaration section. After adding all individuals, proceed to payment. You can choose to process the application as a standard application or as a fast-track application. An invoice will be generated for the payment for your visa application. Choose your preferred payment method. You can choose to pay via digital Kidu, DKX Binance Pay, credit or debit cards, or through mobile or bank transfer. Then, click on Confirm Payment Method. Then click on Confirm and Submit. Enter the details of your transaction as required. Review the declaration carefully and click on I agree and submit to confirm. You have submitted your visa application. To track the status of your visa applications, you can also check in My Applications under the Tourist menu. This concludes the tutorial on applying for a tourist visa